This video will show you how to unbox your reach-in units. Here are the units that this video can be applied to. You will need a utility knife and a pair of gloves for added safety. And please wear gloves to prevent any injuries. When cutting the plastic wrapping, be sure to cut against the cardboard edges to prevent any damage to the unit itself. Start from top and cut all the way down. Please have a second person to help you if needed when working with larger units. Once all plastic wrappings are removed, carefully cut any tape that is holding the protective packaging. Then remove any foam and cardboard protection that is covering your unit. This concludes on how to unbox your reach-in units. Thank you for watching.